Hello students of Standard 10. Today you are going to learn Chapter 2 Climate of India, and this is Part 2. You are going to learn about different seasons found in India. You must have studied in junior classes. There are 3 seasons: winter, summer and rainy. But now you are going to learn there are 4 seasons of India. They are cold weather season, hot weather season, southwest monsoon season and retreating monsoon season. Today I am going to explain about the cold weather season and hot weather season. What happens during the cold weather season? When winter starts, there is slanting rays of the sun falls over northern hemisphere, and therefore in our country, in the northern part of India, which lies in the temperate zone because it lies north of the Tropic of Cancer. So when temperature starts to decrease, cold weather season starts and it lasts for 3 months. December, January and February. And during this period, temperature decreases, and because of cold heavy air, high pressure area develops in the northern part of India. And therefore, wind starts to blow from this high pressure area towards the surrounding low pressure area. Due to the plateaus and mountains of peninsular India, it blows over Ganga plain and reaches to Bay of Bengal. Over Bay of Bengal, it follows the same direction of trade winds, which blows from northeast. So, it blows from northeast direction. It is named as northeast monsoon winds. As they blow over the Bay of Bengal, it carries moisture, and therefore it has moisture in it. It is able to bring rainfall in the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh because of the Eastern Ghat. So there is winter rainfall in the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu due to the northeast monsoon wind. And second reason, that is the northern and northwestern part of India, which receives winter rainfall, and the main source of it is western disturbance. What do you mean by western disturbance? Low pressure system originates over Mediterranean Sea, and that is brought by the westerlies, which blows from southwest to northeast, and it reaches to India and affects the northern part of India and also the northwestern part of India. Due to this western disturbance, there is good rainfall in the parts of Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, some parts of Rajasthan, Delhi and some parts of Uttar Pradesh. So this is good rain and beneficial for Rabi crops, and the main Rabi crop is wheat and some other seeds or pulses which are grown in winter season. They get benefit from it. So do remember, during the cold weather season in India, there is 2 small parts which receive winter rainfall, and these are the different sources by which these areas receive rainfall. Southeastern part of India, that is the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, that receives winter rainfall by northeast monsoon. And northern and northwestern part of India receives rainfall during winter, that is due to the western disturbance. So these are the main events during the cold weather season. Next is the hot weather season. What happens during the hot weather seasons? Temperature starts to increase. Why? Tropic of Cancer receives vertical rays of the sun because northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, and therefore temperature starts to increase, and the high pressure area during the winter season is replaced by the low pressure system. And because of the formation of this low pressure area, it becomes so strong that from surrounding high pressure areas, wind rushes towards this low pressure area. Do you remember? Summer season starts in the month of March, April and May. So it lasts for 3 months, and these are March, April and May. So during these months, temperature starts to increase. Sometimes the temperature reaches to 50 degrees Celsius in the parts of Rajasthan. Sometimes it is experienced about 40 to 50 degrees Celsius temperature. And during this season, some areas of India are affected by the local winds. So, if you see the parts of West Bengal and Assam region, a local wind which is named as Kal Vaishakhi affects. This brings rainfall in some parts of West Bengal and Assam, and that is good and beneficial for rice and jute cultivation in West Bengal and tea plantation in Assam. And same wind, part of it due to the great Himalayas, moves towards northwest and reaches to the parts of Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana. This becomes so hot, dry wind and blows in great speed, so it is destructive, and therefore there is great destruction in the parts of Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, and therefore it is named as Kal Vaishakhi. What is the meaning of the word Kal Vaishakhi? It means the calamity in the month of Vaishakh. Which is the month of Vaishakh? According to Hindi calendar, it is between the months of April and May. So during this period, Kal Vaishakhi affects West Bengal, Assam areas and also the northern plain, that is Punjab, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Second local wind which affects northern plain, which is shaded in yellow. Ganga plain is badly affected by Lu. What is Lu? Very hot, dusty and dry wind which affects all over northern plain of India. It brings sunstroke and that causes sometimes the loss of lives. During the same summer season, southwestern coast, the coast of Kerala and Karnataka, they are affected by pre-monsoon shower. Pre-monsoon shower occurs at the coast of Kerala, and that is beneficial for the mangoes, for early ripening of mangoes. So it is named as mango shower. And in Karnataka, it is known as cherry blossom because it is beneficial for cherry crops. At the same time, it is good for tea and coffee plantation in Karnataka. So, do remember, this is the pre-monsoon shower. Reaches before the commencement of monsoon at the coast of Kerala and Karnataka, which brings good rainfall, not very heavy, but that is beneficial for the mangoes and cherry. So do remember, during hot weather season, 3 local winds affect 3 parts of the country. They are Kal Vaishakhi, West Bengal and Assam region is being affected. Lu affects the northern Ganga plain and southwestern coast, the coast of Kerala and Karnataka. These are affected by the mango shower. So, these are two seasons. In the next class, you will learn about southwest monsoon season. Thank you.